Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up a Trust Wallet account. First, download the official Trust Wallet application from your device's App Store. Once installed, open the app and tap on Create a New Wallet. This is your first step towards securely managing your cryptocurrencies. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth setup process. Next, you'll receive a 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is crucial for accessing your wallet if you lose your device or forget your password. Write it down precisely in the correct order and store it in a secure, offline place. Do not take screenshots or share this phrase with anyone, as it grants full access to your funds. After writing down your recovery phrase, you'll be asked to confirm it by re-entering the words in the correct sequence. This step ensures you've accurately recorded it. Once confirmed, set up a passcode or enable biometric security like fingerprint or Face ID for quick and secure daily access. Congratulations! Your Trust Wallet is now set up and ready for you to send, receive, and store cryptocurrencies. With your wallet ready, you can now fund it by sending cryptocurrencies from an exchange or another wallet. Explore the built-in D-app browser to interact with various decentralized applications. Remember to always double-check recipient addresses before sending any funds to avoid irreversible losses. Keep your recovery phrase safe and enjoy the world of decentralized finance with Trust Wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.